Okay, I've done this two ways. I'll show you the question, which is brief exercise 311, which is trial balance. From the ledger balance below, prepare a trial balance for Ivanhoe Company at June 30th. All account balances are normal. So they give you these figures: accounts payable, cash, common stock, dividends, equipment, service revenue, accounts receivable, salaries and wage expense, rent expense. And then what I did from here, I'll show you. I went and I've done the name here. Um, so I've done the name here. This is a trial balance. I'll put the date here, and then I put them in order. So in the textbook it says note that the order of the presentation in the trial balance is assets, liabilities, stockholders' equity, revenue, and expenses. So I've done assets, liabilities. Well, liabilities, they had the one which was accounts payable, stock equity, which is common stock and dividends. Then they had service revenue, which is revenues, and then expenses. And you just got to format them in debits and credits, and you need to make sure they both balance, so the debits and the credits balance. So when I first did this, I had rent expense over in the credit, and it didn't balance. So the nice thing about the trial balance is you can really tell when it's going to balance and when you've done it the right way or the wrong way, because if it doesn't balance, it's not right. And so then you can play with it like that. But this is how it should work. And then, like I showed you from the beginning, if you go back again to the question, you can see there's the answers. It's all green, tick, 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 boom. Everything's good. Okay, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Otherwise, that is brief exercise 3-11.